So I just wanted to make a video to show some people an easy way to get a 14 millimeter hex that you can use to open your drain and fill plugs on a BMW of, I don't know, almost any X drive with the front differential, the rear differential, and the transfer case, because all the drain and fill plugs are exactly the same. So what you need is a 14 millimeter hex. Now, when I bought this, it originally came, I didn't think to make this beforehand, but it was originally just a socket with a hex in it. So to get this out of this, and right there. So I've had a whole bunch of these, so it's not a big deal to donate this one to the cause. But now you can reach up under your car in the tight space that this has got to go into, stick it in to your drain fill plug. If you've got a ratcheting wrench, 14 millimeter, better, and then you can just ratchet it straight off and you've got plenty of room to work with. Now the ones that you buy that you can buy for this have a couple of indent nipples that will keep it from sliding back off. It kind of clicks into place, but really this is all you need. I mean, when you just stick this thing in, you don't have to use the open end part of the wrench to just wrench it off until it gets to a certain point where you can just back it off by hand. You can just stick your ratcheting wrench straight on it and go to town, and it's going to save you a lot of time and a lot of, I don't know, a lot of four-letter words probably. But I mean, I bought this I bought the socket with this in it from AutoZone for $7, and then just came home and stuck a screwdriver in the back of it in my vise and smacked it with a hammer, and I've already owned the wrench, so there, I've got everything I need to do the entire service right there for $7 versus the thin model elongated wrench that they're trying to sell online in combination with the 14 millimeter hex that comes solo like this with the little detents that I was talking about. And by the time you buy the pair of those, you're already into the $30 range. So just do it for $7 and just knock the thing out of the socket with a hammer and a screwdriver, and you'll be good to go.